All who come to this happy place, welcome.
Wondering why you guys asking for your selfies, huh? Guys, take a look at all of these screens and know this. We could not have had this party without you. Hey, isn't that right, Dad? Golden! Magic Kingdom, you definitely made this a party you will always remember. I know it's certainly a time we will never forget. We had so much fun. We do have one more thing left to say. But we need everyone back on the sidewalk so we can tell ya. Tell them, guys. That's right, guys. So take it slow. Now watch, y'all. Right, can we do this again? Magic Kingdom, give yourselves a round of applause. That's right, guys. Get out and make some noise. It's all about making memories and magic that last a lifetime. Oh, that's just what you did. But don't rest yet. Get those hands and those arms ready to clap, clap. Give them up, man. Clap. Just clap, clap. Time. Before we shut this thing down, you know what we gotta do? Here, let me tell ya, we gotta check it up. Wait. Once again, guys, have a great time. Let's finish this thing off. So, let's get it up. Let's do it. Make some noise, Magic Kingdom! Give yourselves a round of applause because that was great. But I still need everyone to listen to me. Guys, take the party with you everywhere you go here at the Magic Kingdom. There's so many amazing things to do and to see and be a part of. Now, guys, are there any suggestions?
Yeah, like the demo cruise.
Now that's an elephant I'll never forget, Donald. But guys, you're not gonna do them all. They're all waiting for each and every one of you.
I know!
Magic Kingdom, we had a blast, so hopefully you did too. So stick around and have fun, okay? Look at the mamas. Yo, peeps. We are now. Keep up just and raise your bell. Here when you're moving out. Love and the nation. Let's rock. Wearing our favorite articles. Let's stand forever now. And take you where the party goes. We find the magic kingdom from all around the world. Because I'm calling out to every boy and every girl. Alright guys, have a great one. Wait, can anyone actually name all sensitive words? Anyone? Anybody? Alright guys, don't forget, there's a party that's always going on. Come on!